well and enjoying good health. In this lecture we will learn how we can add any picture into our ArcMap. Okay, I will tell you the simplest and the quickest way to add any picture in our data. Okay, just click on the insert button, go to the picture. After that, click the destination folder where you have saved your picture. Just move on, and here is my pictures, and I want to, for example, I want to insert this picture. Just click on this picture and open. My picture has been added up into my data set, into my working platform. Okay, and this picture has been edited into this format, into my ArcMap working platform. In this way you can insert many pictures. In this way you can insert the picture of your own desire, the picture which you want to insert in ArcMap. You can easily insert by doing so. I hope you understand how we can insert any picture into the ArcMap. Thank you so much for your time, for being with me, for being patient. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope you will earn many more from beginning to the advanced level. Thank you so much.